Is it snowing today? Can we go make snowballs? No. Is it cloudy with a chance of meatballs? No. Who is shining down? Mr. Sun. That's right, Mason. Mr. Sun. And let's see, I actually have my clouds out a minute ago. The sun came out fast. Mason, here's your Mr. Sun. Goes right here. It is. Stay right up here, Mason. You may choose. Froggy shorts or his striped shorts. Froggy shorts. Goes on his hips. All the way down to his hips. Yeah, and it looks like that Velcro's coming off a little bit, Mason. I think that will be all right. Let's do that. There we go. And Mason, let's give him a shirt. Mr. Sun or Pirate? Pirate shirt. Go ahead. On his shoulders. Remember, that's where our arms come out, friends. Now, we're going to go upside down like that. There you go. There you go. Ready? Let's come down just a little bit, Mason. Good job. Mason, let's give her some shades. Here you go, sweetheart.
Sorry.
Another day in froggy paradise. Awesome job. Mason, you may have a seat. Come and sit with us, hon. Mason, come on up. I need your help some more. Because, Mason, we need to find out what day it is. Our song tells us there's 7 days. Avery, we need 7 fingers. Mom, should we close this? You ready? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where's my 7 fingers? 5 and 2 make 7. You ready, Quincy? There are 7 days. There are 7
Go
days.
sit up there.
There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.